Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we'll explore two effective methods for splitting text strings by line breaks. Join us as we uncover a formula-based solution utilizing the left, right, and find functions, followed by a dynamic approach using VBA code. Let's dive into the details of each method to streamline your text manipulation tasks. Let's start with the first method, a formula-based approach using the left, right, and find functions to efficiently split text strings by line breaks. This method provides a straightforward solution for users seeking a non-programmatic way to manage line breaks within their text data. When you want to split text string by line break in Excel, you should use a combination of the left, right, char, len and find functions. The char, ten, function will return the line break character. The find function will use the returned value of the char function as the first argument to locate the position of the line break character within the cell. Suppose you have a list of students' height in column B and you can refer to this formula that will find the position of line break character in cell B1 and extract all the characters to the left of the line break character. Type this formula into cell C1. Equals left, B1. Find, char, 10, B1, 1, minus 1. This formula extracts the text before the line break. If you need to extract all characters to the right of line breaker character within the text string in cell B1, you can use the len and find functions within the right function in Excel. Equals right, B1. Len, B1. Find, char, 10, B1. This formula extracts the text after the line break. Your text string is now split into two cells based on the line break. Moving on to the second method, let's explore VBA code to dynamically split text strings by line breaks. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. In the editor, right-click on any item in the Project Explorer, choose Insert, and select Module to add a new module. Copy and paste the following modified VBA code into the module. Close the VBA editor by clicking the X button or pressing Alt plus Q. Return to your Excel workbook and press Alt plus F8 to open the Macro dialog box. In the Macro dialog box, choose the macro named Split Text by Line Breaks and click Run. The macro will prompt you to select the source cell with the text string and the destination cell for the first part. Click on the desired cells. The text string will be dynamically split, and the first part will be placed in the destination cell. The original cell will now contain the remaining text after the line break. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial on splitting text strings by line breaks in Excel. We've explored two methods, using the text to columns feature and utilizing VBA code. With these techniques, you can efficiently handle text manipulation tasks in your Excel worksheets. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.